only cleaning for a few minutes? Hi, I'm Julie from RobotShop, here to explain to you the Roomba 500 series battery reset procedure. The Roomba 500 series battery reset procedure can be applied to all the Roomba 500 series robots. For example, the Roomba 530, the Roomba 560, and another example is the Roomba 550. If you see that your robot's runtime has been diminishing and that your robot cleans for less than 20 minutes, or if you see that your robot's charge time has diminished and that the charge time is taking less than the normal 2.5 hours with the Roomba 500 series charger, it's possible that your robot's battery is deeply discharged and will need to charge for a longer period of time. This is a good time to do the Roomba battery reset procedure. Today I'm going to show you the Roomba 500 series battery reset procedure using the Roomba 560. The first step of this procedure is to turn the robot on by pressing the large clean button in the center of the robot. You then must press on the spot and the dock buttons at the same time until the clean button becomes dim. When the clean button becomes dim, you may remove your fingers and you will hear this song indicating that the robot has been reset. The next step will be to charge your robot. We will plug the robot's charger directly into the side of the robot. We will not be using the charging station since we do not want to interrupt the robot's charging cycle. We will let the robot charge until the clean button becomes green. Once the clean button is green, you must leave your robot charging for an additional 72 hours. It is important not to interrupt your robot's charging cycle during this time. After the 72 hours is up, you may remove the robot from the charger. You will then have your robot cleaning for a complete cleaning cycle. In the case of most Roomba 500 series, you may press on the dock button without a home base present. The robot will clean until its battery is fully discharged, and then you will hear the dead battery song and the clean button will flash red. In the case of robots without the dock button, you may run several cleaning cycles until the robot's battery is fully discharged and you hear the dead battery song. It is important to keep track of your robot's runtime. You may repeat the Roomba battery reset procedure several times and see if the runtime improves. If it does not improve, we suggest to purchase a new Roomba APS battery or a standard battery for your Roomba 500 series, which can be purchased on the RobotShop website. For more information on the Roomba 500 series battery reset procedure, please visit www.robotshop.com or visit the RobotShop Support Center in the popular knowledge base articles. Thank you for watching RobotShop TV.